Hello, NIFT aspirants. Your dream date is arriving, and the NIFT entrance examination is scheduled on 9th Feb 2025. I know you all must be practicing very well, but still, there can be certain questions which may be troubling you. So, myself, Rekha Kejriwal, your design mentor and career coach, serving students for more than 15 years in design entrance, is here with certain suggestions. So in this video, we would be discussing a precise examination pattern of NIFT. What should you practice at this moment of time? What are the expected questions? Some do's and don'ts, and some general questions which I come across on everyday basis during my classes. So now coming to the examination pattern, it is pre-announced that NIFT will have two papers, GAT and CAT. GAT is an online paper where you need to solve 100 questions within 120 minutes. And CAT, it's a pen and paper based test where you need to solve 3 questions, maybe some more sub questions are added within 3 hours. Now let's first discuss about CAT. So on what areas you should practice. So my dear students, I will give you some important tips and areas where should you and what should you practice. Number 1, start practicing product design. Make quick sketches of the products which are lying in your surrounding areas. For example, cup, writing stationeries, footwear, accessories like bags, belts, wristwatches, kitchen utensils, electronic appliances, etc. So if you start practicing and start making quick sketches, you will start developing a good observation and memory. ये तो पता है ना कि हमारा हर आंसर memory based होगा. So this will help you in improving your memory and observation. नाउ अब बात करते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन से किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन वी हैव सीन क्वेश्चंस where you have to redesign an existing product, or you need to design some futuristic product, or you may have to design some inspirational product. For example, you were supposed to design an AI generated product inspired from a bird or insect, and you were also supposed to explain 3 functions. Another question where they asked you to design some pieces of furniture which may be inspired from digits, from numbers 0 to 9 or from any alphabet, and then you need to fit in those products in interiors or exteriors like a nursery classroom or an entertainment park or a play zone and many more. Then one more question which I remember, which was inspired from product, where you were supposed to design a chair which depicts your personality. So too much of thinking, and of course you should be well practiced with the products. Number 2, or during all your preparation, you must be practicing human figures, perspective, still life, and then compiling all of them, you must have learnt how to draw compositions. Yes, composition plays a very major role, and it also includes a good percentage of the complete marking scheme. So start practicing quick composition, drawing quick composition on railway stations, bus stops, school's playground, interior of a mall, outside a cinema hall. So this will give you a good idea of compiling all fundamentals, whatever you have studied till now. So you need to check where to zoom in and where to zoom out to show a good sense of perspective. I hope you are understanding. Number 3, visual communication. So you need to design good posters, maybe postage stamps, maybe banners, logos and packagings. Now, such kind of questions, they actually check what kind of design solution you can give to a problem which will be used for promotion. So understand, shortlisting, a good style of typography, shortlisting and drawing a clicking visual, then giving a catchy punchline makes your visual, makes your posters very attractive. Also remember that such kind of questions, they are also related to general awareness. So you should know about the current schemes or current events. Possibly you may have to design posters based on that. Third, you also have to be well practiced with story illustrations and comic strips. आपको नहीं पता कि कोई स्टोरी जो आपने बचपन में पढ़ी होगी, आपको ऐसा कहा जाए कि उस स्टोरी को रीडिजाइन करके आप कुछ स्टेप्स में दिखाइए. और देयर कैन बी क्वेश्चंस लाइक यू वर ट्रैवलिंग टू मार्स, so show your journey of Mars in the form of a comic strip. Then there can be another question which is focusing on process of making something. For example, folding a paper to design a paper board, or changing the bulb of a room. So, or maybe folding or unfolding of a paper which you need to show by means of visual. So yes, interesting, sounds tough, but I'm telling you it is very easy. So on my advice, please take a piece of paper, check, ऑब्जर्व, ड्रॉ, और आपको समझ आएगा कि ये बहुत इजी है. सो दिस जस्ट क्रिएट्स टेंशन बट एक्चुअली इट्स स्कोरिंग. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज practicing and creating artwork with given geometrical shapes and lines. अब यहां आप रेफरेंस नहीं देख सकते. अगर आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्ट्रांग है, अगर आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन को खुद से अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस किया होगा, सो यू विल गेट अ फेयर आइडिया हाउ टू डिजाइन गिवन प्रोडक्ट्स और रीडिजाइन गिवन प्रोडक्ट्स विद ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स और लाइंस ओनली. और देयर कैन बी सम अनदर आर्टवर्क्स आल्सो व्हिच कैन बी थीम बेस्ड और पैटर्न बेस्ड व्हिच यू मे हैव टू create using given shapes and lines. So I hope you are understanding what you need to practice. Then it can never be last, but again, please do not forget lateral thinking. आपकी सोच आपके मार्क्स और आपके डिजाइनर बनने के सपने को पूरा कर सकते हैं. So always keep on thinking. So these were some suggestions on what to practice. Now how to practice? निफ्ट का प्रीवियस ईयर सॉल्व किया? यस, कर लिया. इवैल्यूएट हुआ? हाँ, हो गया. मार्क्स अच्छे मिले? पता नहीं. अगर नहीं पता, कोई बात नहीं. आपकी इवैल्यूएशन अच्छी रही या बुरी रही, आप पूरे के पूरे निफ्ट के प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर को एक एक सिंगल ऑप्शंस को फिर से ड्रॉ करें. थोड़ा बोरिंग हो रहा है, फिर से ड्रॉ करें, कोई बात नहीं. हर एक क्वेश्चन को उठाइए और उसके कम से कम 3 थंबनेल बनाइए. एनालाइज करिए. पूरे साल प्रिपरेशन की है तो आप चेक करिए कौन सा आंसर अच्छा है, कौन से आंसर में और इंप्रूवमेंट की जा सकती है. यू हैव सीन सेवरल नंबर ऑफ आंसर्स, सो नाउ यू कैन बी अ बेटर जज दैट हाउ कैन यू बी इवैल्यूएटेड वेल. So then there are certain concerns like, should I color a question or not if nothing is mentioned in the question? So my dear students, coloring is an important aspect, but there you need to again check your intellect. Read the questions carefully, not once, at least thrice. Check with the marks, check with the requirement. So it is always important to add texture and add value to your answer. ये टेक्सचर और ये वैल्यू आप कलर से ऐड करते हो या पेंसिल से ऐड करते हो, ये आपकी मर्जी है. If nothing is written in the question, so you may use colors, you may not use colors. But if it is mandatory, of course you need to use colors. I hope ये बहुत बड़ा डाउट है. So मेरा ये सजेशन आपको जरूर हेल्प करेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इट इज अ पब्लिक पार्क, अब पब्लिक पार्क में आप क्या बनाओगे? आप पब्लिक पार्क में ट्रीज की स्क्रिबलिंग करोगे, लोग बनाओगे, लोगों के गारमेंट्स होंगे, गारमेंट पे फोल्ड्स होंगे, उस पर प्रिंट होगा, है ना, कुछ बेंचेस होंगे, कुछ 3D फेंस होंगे। तो अगर आप पेंसिल से उसने हाईलाइट करेंगे तो आपके आर्टवर्क की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी। ठीक है, अब ये आप पेंसिल से करो, कलर से करो, ये आपकी मर्जी है। राइट नाउ अबाउट GAT। GAT में क्या करेंगे? So GAT में if we see the marks division, as I told you that there would be 100 questions. So इस 100 question में 40 questions English से होंगे, 20 questions quantitative aptitude से होंगे, 25 questions general awareness से होंगे and 15 questions जो हैं वो रीजनिंग से होंगे। तो ये आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी है। अब क्योंकि इंग्लिश 40 मार्क्स की है तो आपकी मर्जी है, इफ यू आर वेल प्रैक्टिस्ड यू कैन स्टार्ट विद इंग्लिश, बट इफ यू से यू आर वेरी गुड एट मैथ्स व्हिच इज ऑफ 20 मार्क्स, यू कैन सॉल्व मैथ्स क्विकली, क्योंकि अगर आप मैथ्स में अच्छे हो तो आंसर तुरंत आ जाएगा। अगर आपने जीके बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा है सो जस्ट रीड इट एंड स्टार्ट मार्किंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इमीडिएटली। बट स्ट्रैटेजी देखें तो इट मे बी इंग्लिश, GK, maths and logical reasoning. Rest you can do any kind of alteration as per your convenience level. Right? करना क्या है? स्पीड कितनी डेवलप करनी है? 1 question per minute. अभी इतने कम समय में क्या करें? Every day take out some time, sit for some time, keep a stopwatch in front of you and check reading comprehension. Can you solve it within 10 minutes? मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन, कैन यू सॉल्व 1 क्वेश्चन इन 1 minute? जीके का क्वेश्चन, मे बी it must take few seconds only. So can you do it or not? So I hope you are getting a fair idea how to do it. क्या कहा? अभी भी थोड़ी नर्वसनेस हो रही है? अगर नर्वसनेस हो रही है so why don't you start practicing the online mock test series? So if you want to practice the mocks, if you want to improve your screen learning of appearing for test, you can click the description, you can use the link which is given in the description box and you can get your mocks activated at AFA's website so that you get an idea how to solve and how you are evaluated within the time limit. So we have Mr. Sameer Raj here with us, who is a NIFT graduate and guiding students for the entrance part. So Mr. Sameer here will tell us on what areas or what topics to study for general awareness, which is of 25 marks, and this general awareness also has its role in the creative part as discussed in the visual communication.
Hi everyone. So if you look at the GAT paper, that is general aptitude test, so it is already decoded. When you look at previous year questions, you will have that the sections from where question has asked in the exams. It is very scoring, but what generally students do that they used to avoid this. Now within these limited days though we have, we can work on several topics that I will be sharing and you can score good. So start. We will have again 100 questions and time will be 120 minutes. So you can, on an average, you can calculate one question allotted for one question and 1 minute. 20 minutes you can keep aside. At the end of the paper, you will be evaluating whether you have attempted questions or not. So yes, look at the topics which general aptitude test comprises. It is English, it is logical reasoning, then it is general awareness and quantitative aptitude, that is general maths. So if you look at the weightage and chronology, you can arrange, of course, at the top it is English comprehension is again very important. You can practice some English comprehension things from maybe test book, or you can attempt free mocks that we do have. Then if you look at general awareness, then again very holistic, you have to take care of this paper where you will not dive into history or geography or political kind of thing. You should know basics events that has happened in the past. Also when it comes to NIFT favorite topic, which is again awards, function, ceremony, that you have to look at important personalities and important dates, the significant personality we have in history. and of course some sort of constitution thing, some major rivers and their origin, some disease and their deficiency, the basic things, basic general science things that every design aspirant should know that you have to take care of. Again, 25 questions and 25 marks. Moving ahead, we have maths, that is general aptitude or a quant thing. So you will having 20 questions for 20 marks. So when you look at the topic, it is again percentage profit and loss, then algebraic expression, very 9 to 10th level questions they used to ask. And last but not least, they have logical reasoning. So blood relation is favorite of NIFT, then coding decoding is again favorite. You can practice that series kind of, that what will be the next. This is again a basic reasoning kind of question they used to ask. When you club all the topic, English, logical reasoning, general awareness and quant maths, then you will see that a holistic paper, right, they used to frame that every design aspirant should know basic calculation, basic surroundings, their environment, their history, their past, their presents, and of course English is necessary. So while covering these things, while utilizing these upcoming days, there are chances to score good and rank good as got increased from this to this. Wish you very all the best. Please attempt free mock tests already there in your descriptions. Click and yes, utilize all the time, all the access that we are providing. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with FA. Thank you.
सो आई होप मेरा ये वीडियो आपको समझ आया होगा। इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत हेल्प मिली होगी, और अगर आपको अपने आंसर्स को भी इवैल्यूएट करवाना है, सो यू कैन ड्रॉप मी अ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज और यू कैन कनेक्ट मी ऑन द नंबर व्हिच इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। एंड टू गेट मोर सच वीडियोस, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will come back here again with more valuable videos. Thank you. All the best.